Do you know how many people are going to the bed with hungry stomach? Do you know how many kids are dying due to the malnutrition? Do you know how many malnourished people living in the Asia? To know such facts, watch this video till the end. If you still have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon to get latest updates from Nutralife. Hello friends, welcome to Nutralife. I am Dr. Seema. I make videos related to food and nutrition. Today I am going to talk about World Food Day. World Food Day is an international day celebrated every year on 16th October in the honor of the date of founding of the Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations in the year 1945. World Food Day 2020 is celebrated in 150 countries around the world. Theme of World Food Day 2020 is Grow, Nourish, Sustain Together. Our actions are our future. These activities inspire worldwide recognition and actions on the need to ensure food security and nutritional diet to those who are suffering from hunger. Hungry planet. Nearly 690 million people in the world are hungry. In 2030, this would be more of 840 million of undernourished people worldwide. COVID-19 progressing hunger. State of malnutrition in more than half of the world's undernourished population lives in Asia. 281 million people. About 2 billion people around the world do not have daily access to healthy, nutritious and adequate food. 144 million children were stunted worldwide. 38.3 million children under age 5 years are overweight. 5.3 million children died before their 5th birthdays, many cases due to undernutrition. In 2019, around 750 million of world's population was facing severe food insecurity. Time to act. A continuous rise in hunger with rising obesity indicates need to speed up and expand steps to improve food systems and secure people's livelihood. Grow, nourish, sustain. There are 30,000 edible plants. We need to cultivate a variety of food to nourish people and protect the earth. Future food system. Our future food system should provide sustainable and safe food for everyone and good livelihood for food production workers. 8. At the same moment, protecting the natural environment and biodiversity and tackling threats such as climate change. Food system gaps. 10% of food produced for human consumption is lost every year. The loss is mainly from between the stages of grown up to when reaches market. Empower food producer. To enhance the livelihood of smallholder farmers, need to improve access to finance, training, innovation and technology. What can you do? Choose healthy and diverse. Healthy diet leads to healthy life. If we consume variety of food, we are encouraging the production of variety of food. Growing variety of crops helps to maintain biodiversity and we are indirectly helping our planet to become healthier. Spread positivity. Adopt healthy eating habits and advise people around you to follow the same. Publish healthy eating practices as well as healthy food purchasing practices on social media. Participate in events like World Food Day. Choose local. Try to buy locally produced fresh food from farmers in your town or city. This will help those small farmers' local economy as well as you are encouraging crop diversity. Go for seasonal produce. By choosing the seasonal foods, you are helping to reduce carbon footprint. Because non-seasonal foods have to import from another part of world, it need to be imported and travel a long way to reach your local market. Seasonal foods are tasty, easily available and more healthy. Grow food at home. Utilize space around your house or balcony to produce fruits and vegetables. This is very good mood refreshing activity. You will also learn how to grow food at household level. It will make you more respectful towards farmers as well as food. Respect food and food heroes. Respect food and try to not waste the food by you. Cook fresh and limited food every time to avoid food waste. Support development initiatives. Participate in community nutrition programs in your community. Raise awareness about the importance of eating healthy. Support food related business and retailers. Be active and choose healthy foods. It will provide jobs for small entrepreneurs to make attractive and healthy foods. Your action will bring change in food system. The global health crisis COVID-19 has affected the fundamental need food very badly. Many people are sleeping empty stomach during this pandemic. Food is the essence of life. Access and availability of healthy and safe food to the poor and vulnerable population will be the essential part of the response to the COVID-19 pandemic. Poor people are badly impacted by the pandemic with economic problems. In this situation, it's really very important to support our food heroes, which are farmers, retailers, or every person working in the food system. They are real heroes who are making food available to all of us in this difficult time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, hit the like button, leave your comment. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates from Nutralife. See you next week. Bye.